Hi guys, welcome back, Kingster. I hope you make huge profit today because dollar is going upside. Of course, it is dollar going upside. Platinum is going towards the downside. Why? Because dollar is so strong today. You can see here. I hope you execute your trade also, but I'm so late to execute my trade here. And this is our target here. This is first target here is 104 and second target 104.88, right? This is dollar here, and you can see the BTC we already executed here. We already give the signals for you, but still a retest with this one trend line. If there's a hit, it's fine, but we have to still for a stop loss. Make sure keep your stop loss very nice steps here. You can see here this is a level here, and if it's hit this one level and retest again and then come down again, but wait for a right moment and like this. Okay, if it's hit this one level, it is going up. Make sure you can follow your own strategies, what you have, right? So make sure. And other things you can see here, the dollar totally upside, guys. So other market you can kill right now. Kill means other not market is a negative for you. Dollar and sorry, Euro USD and gold. These are the things you market. Kill it. Kill everything. Right? Platinum, it's good. We are in profit right now. And in the gold, we hit our SL, guys, because it's very different range. You can see this is the scenarios here. Market go upside and consider this is not be like totally U shape, right? So this is a my strategy is not working here. It's fine. Out from the market. I don't want to trade again here, and it's okay. This is my rule, but you need to follow the rule. You don't want to be trade again here. It's okay. Euro USD, you can see here Euro USD we are in right now profit. You can see the first target already hit, and second target we need to wait for a second target here. You can see here this one also trend line is already breakout here from this one level but didn't break this one level. I need to wait for here to red candle. Okay, I got it here red candle and I execute my trade here very nicely, right? I hope you understand this one level and you draw also the level also. Of course, yeah, when you trade in a forex currencies and everything's index, you use your also 1 hour time frame. You can see the clear picture of the market here, and this is you can see that this is the clear picture. You can see, right? This is a clear pictures market going down and down again and again. So this is a clear picture. If you see the clear picture in the market and you can execute your trade very nicely, right? This is Ethereum, guys. I didn't trade yet because it's resistance. This is level here and didn't break out this, right? And other one where I give you the signal here. This one, right? You can see this one level. Please, guys, focus. You can execute my trade also where I give you the signal, right? I hope you understand this one level, right? This is here to retest and come back, but didn't retest. Very nice. We are in profit, and I hope you understand that you execute your trade. Where I already posted for you videos and everything. I hope you execute your trade, guys. No one gave you like this signals. I hope you understand. I want your comments for me and give your suggestions for me. If it's helpful for you, good, then give me a comments and everything. I want to know how many persons follow my signals, how many persons follow my strategies. So please give me something, some signals for me. Okay, yes, you are right, you are wrong, like this. So give me my right, give me good comments and give me wrong comments. What about you think about your minds and just give me, right? If you see my video. Okay, sure. I hope. Otherwise, you don't give anything comments for me, so I don't want. To, I don't like to be a make for your video every day. This is today, and tomorrow I can't make video again every day for you because everyone here is very silent. No one can give me the comments. No one response. No one give me a response, right? So I want to response from everyone. I hope you understand this one. But you can see the Tesla here 182, guys, 182. You can see here 182. This is the last level of Tesla. Keep one positions for long positions. Keep one positions. Just buy and one stop loss. Keep your one stop loss here. 150, 156. Okay guys, keep for a long positions. Tesla is totally down, and it's not about the pro. I think have a problem some with this, but keep this positions for long positions guys. You got good profit after 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. This is for a good investment for in Tesla. Please guys, I hope you understand this one. Tesla is the good opportunities for a buying, and buy it, keep it buy, and your stop loss will be a 160, 150, and leave it for see after 1 month. You will be got the good as result, good as result, guys, good as result. So we see, I just withdraw here. I just wait for a breakout. I just need to one red candle here more, and yeah, one green candle here. Then I will execute your trade because I don't get here any invitations here, right? And oil guys, you can see the profit right now. Amazing. I hope you understand my signals. I hope understand my strategy. Please guys, if you don't have a capital, you open your small lot. If you have a small lot, you open here 0.01 lot also. You got here maybe $300, $3,000, sorry, $300, $100. This is a bigger move guys. If you capture this one bigger move, also you got, if you open 0.01 lot size, so you got also good opportunity every day guys. You increase your capital every day. What I provide here, this is for free. No one, I don't want to be give anything for me signals and everything. I don't want to be any uh okay, this I just sell for my strategies for everyone. No, this is free for you guys. But just at least give me any comments, give me any your suggestions, hi, hello, anything, because I feel here, I don't I want to feel here anybody see my signals, anybody's wait for my signals, please, right? Euro USD, see here, Euro USD, next level guys. I hope you make it good profit, right? Please guys. So I want a look at here, market will come back again from here. I execute totally right now, just wait. Look guys, I want to think. I don't want to think anymore here. I just want to one candle. This is my first level here, and second level is here. Okay, and I will make for a video when when I hit my target here. Okay, execute you also. This is the here the trend line. This is the stop loss. So you keep your stop loss like one. Okay, just wait. I will execute right now. Okay, I hope you will execute also, guys. Please, this is a good things. Follow the signals, follow the everything's what you like, and if you have your own strategy, you can follow your own strategy also. But don't miss it out. Just believe one side. It's okay if it's hit our SL in gold. It's fine, guys. But still, we are in profit. So many trades we are in profit. Right now, I execute my trade. Right now, it's okay. Right now, I have a 50 to $70 in profit right now. Look at you. Okay, I want to give from, if we hit my SL, almost I lose my 150 to $200. If I hit my profit target one, I I earn, I think, $400, 4 to 500 to $600 here. What do you want more, right? I hope you understand. I think, and you can see here Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. I give the signals for everyone for Bank Nifty. I think everyone follow this one, right? Ethereum, gold only, wait hours to SL. You can see Bank Nifty. I give here signal for everyone. Look at here. First target hit, second target also hit. What you want? This is here. This is a picture here. Sometime indicator, today indicator. It's very nice working for me. It's fine. I trade here again from here. Nifty, Bank Nifty also have a target hit. What do you want? You want more? See, yesterday also I posted so many videos for you, especially. I think you make also lots of profit if you execute your trade. Don't afraid. I hope you understand very well. But I need to any your suggestions. Please some give me as comments and anything. Hi, hello. Otherwise, I can't make for video every day like this for silence, right? Don't confuse your brain. Look at you again, running profit totally. You see here, look at big candles again, big candle. Yeah, I accept this one 67. I accept this one now 70. I accept 70. I can close here, totally close your trade, and I just wait for other bigger lot. Yeah, I will close here 70, 70, 70, 30. Look at the thing scenario here. I already execute my trade here. Hmm. See, see the level. Retest complete. Complete, guys. Give you direct informations for you. Just sell me right now. Look at. Did you see any green candle here? 1 hour time frame. Okay. You have a clear picture 1 hour time frame. Why you want to see 5 minute, 15-minute time frame? No. See 1 minute, 1 hour time frame. Look at here. You want to go anywhere. Just see. This is the level here. Let's close one more, one trade here. Bigger lot here. Enough. Wait for this one. If is it this one, if it's cross this one also. This is the biggest stop out here. Wait for this one level also. This is the level. Wait, patience is the bigger thing in the world. Okay, if you open your lot here 0.01, look at the things you will be earn here. I think uh $200, almost five, three, $400. I think 500 more than. So please keep yourself very good. Like smartness is the good things in the life. See here, see if it's gold up, yeah, other market we can kill. It's depend on all the gold, right? But sometime not work, but sometime. Today is a bigger news, guys. So bigger news we capture very nice. But one is SL hit in a goal. It's okay because what is my strategy? Score is totally upside, but didn't hit, didn't break out the level. Totally, you can see how many days here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. It's continuously crossing this one area. It's totally 2 day breakout. Wow, super. Other market will go downside. It's very nice for us. We can make lots of money, right? If you want money, if you don't want money, it's okay, right? USA touch. I want to be clear picture here. If it's break out this one our green candle here, surely I will be buy from here, right? So thing is, always you 1 hour. Why you want to use your 5 minute and 1 minute and 2 minute? This is confusion for you guys. You totally confused. Sometimes you close your trade, sometimes you open your trade, and again you open. When you see green candle, then again open. If you see in a green candle 1 hour time frame, you will be a success. 1 hour, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour. It's a green candle. Totally, it's a market upside, right? But if I trade here, that's wrong. Totally wrong because there is a resistance level. But if I trade from here, this level, if it's cross this one level, and I saw in green candle here, big, I trade execute here. I trade like this here. Simple. I trade like this here. My stop loss will be here, and like this. It's fine. Why you in hurry? We are not hurry, right? We have to stay. We need to for invitations. If you don't have invitations for market, how you can enter in the market? If you don't have invitations for marriage, so you can't join, right? You need to first of all invitations. If you don't have invitations, so we can't enter in the market. Here. We don't have invitations. We have two invitation from here. If I got an invitation, I will join the market, and then I will execute my trade here, right? That's a way to nicely treat the market. Market is we are a friend for the market all the times. market our business, right? Well, thanks, guys. I just telling you the Tesla, just buy, keep for a long investment. I think it's called this one and 150 your SL. Leave it. We just open your SL. I think you can open your zero point 0 if you don't have a capital 0.01. Okay, leave it. Your SL will be 150. Khalas, leave it. How much you lose? Nothing. Maybe $50, maybe $100, maybe 200. Okay. When you go back, it's a long invest in 1 hour, sorry, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month. You can wait for 3 month, 2 month. You can. So this is a good opportunity to buy. This one it's totally down, guys. I think if it's break this one 150, so you can close your trade. That's what to be. It's finished Tesla this year. Nothing in the Tesla. Okay. Totally downside. Just to buy one time. That's a good opportunity to buy. And your SL will be 150. Kalas. I hope you understand, guys, everything, right? And you understand our strategies. And I hope you make also the huge profit. It's not about the huge profit, it's about the techniques, good analysis. It's not about you always put your position sizing so high. Capital by strong, small, and you put your position size very high. It's not good, right? How much your capital? If you have a small lot, okay. Slowly, slowly, your capital will be increased. Slowly, slowly, it's fine. No we hurry, excitement, nothing. Market can give, can't give, take the market from the too much. Market always with you. Market not going anywhere, right? It's fine. Just leave it. Draw your chart like this. Okay. This one is a break. This one is a break. Also, this one break. If it's break, this one totally will go down. Okay. The strategy is good. Simple strategy. What is a strategy? This is a strategy, just you can see the C market like this. A totally V shape, U shape, V shape. Of course, market will go down. And if it's not like go, I will be catch you this one here. Yeah. I hope you understand, guys, our videos and everything, and you make lots of profit, right? Thank you so much, guys. Happy day, and see you in next week also. I hope this week is super, guys. Super in Nifty, Bank Nifty, Forex, everywhere. Thank you.